Good day, everybody. Today we started Mern Stack. So we just went over 3 chapters, which is kind of like an intro to Mern Stack and what we'd be going over. So today I'm just gonna do like a quick overview of each chapter. So obviously we're gonna start with chapter 1, the introduction. So this is Welcome to Beginning Mern Stack. This book focuses on the key tasks and concepts to get you started to learn and build Mern Stack applications in a faster pace. It is designed for readers who don't need all the details about Mern at this point in the learning curve, but concrete on what you really need to know. So, what's the Mern Stack? The Mern Stack is a popular stack of technologies for building a modern single-page application, or SPA. Mern stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So obviously we know what Node is. It's a server-side framework. That we use EJX for that. Then we've got Express. Express is a web application framework for Node. And then we've obviously got Mongo and React, which we know what that is. We've done that. I've shown you Mongo. We just finished React. It's just a JavaScript library. And Mongo is just a database, basically. So here is an overview of the app we will be building. So far, this looks like a movie rating. So it's obviously going to have a bunch of movies on it with ratings. Oh, there you can see there's a login, movies, super. You can search, that's on your search bar. And then all ratings. I guess you could select the ratings by the looks of it. And leave a review, I guess. Edit and delete, so CRUD functionality. So here's your movie review. You're going to create the review. So it's basically just a movie review application with full CRUD functionality, of course. And then our chapter 2 is just MongoDB overview. We know what Mongo is. Let us ask AI real quick if they can load. What is MongoDB in simple terms? Just to make this easier. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a database like a smart filing cabinet for your Apple website, but instead of using boring old tables like Excel, like SQL does, MongoDB stores data in a more flexible, easy to understand way. So here's how it stores data. It uses documents like mini JSON files to store information. Example of one of the document, one record. So close, but not close enough. But okay, anyway, there's my name. There's my age, supposedly, and then my supposed hobbies, which I guess, one of them are correct, but that's fine. So that's basically how Mongo stores it. Why do people love it? It's flexible, great for modern apps, and fast to start. When would you use it? A blog, a to-do app, a social media platform, or even a e-commerce store. So yeah, that's Mongo for you. And then we have chapter 3, setting up MongoDB Atlas Cloud Database. So that's just, I'm pretty sure it's 2 different things. So here's a step-by-step guide. So I'm actually going to ask him what it is, so just bear with me. Okay, well, let's go through the steps along. So we're going to create a MongoDB Atlas account. We're going to create our first project. Then we're going to build a cluster database, create a database user, so basically like the little JSON file they showed us, and then allow access from the device, create your database and collection, connect your app to MongoDB Atlas. Then obviously there's the commands you'd use and the code. Thank you. Please explain what it is. So now let's break down what MongoDB Atlas actually is in simple terms. So what is MongoDB Atlas? So obviously this is different things compared to your normal MongoDB. So MongoDB Atlas is the cloud version of MongoDB. Imagine MongoDB is like a digital filing cabinet for your app, but instead of keeping it in your house, your computer server, you put it in a secure online storage space where you can access it from anywhere in the world. That's what Atlas does. It hosts your MongoDB in the cloud. Okay, that's kind of cool. Um, so yeah, that's basically what chapter 3 goes over. So here you can see this is how it looks. Um, here's the cloud provider and region. Obviously, you choose whichever one of those, and then your region. Well, I guess we'll give you a recommended region. Obviously, we would go from somewhere in Europe unless we can find our actual one, I guess. Um, then we've got our cluster tier. Obviously, click the free. Yeah, so that's Mongo Atlas for you. Very interesting. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you.